Hello team, welcome back. Welcome to DevOps training. And today we are going to discuss about the comparison in Git. So we will see how we can set up the comparison project for the Git, right? So let's move to the GitHub repository. So this was the GitHub repository which we was using. This was the starter web project. Okay, we have already set up all the things in our local. So I will move to my local machine, right? Here's the starter web project, and I will open my terminal over here, right? Let's open the terminal over here and let's make it a white like this. Cool. So let's count the number of files which is present inside this particular project. So you can see the 404 HTML, cross-domain XML, favicon icon, humans text, which we have inserted earlier, right? So the file is missing, some file is missing, which is a readme.md file, which is the by default Git file. Okay, Git format file is missing over here. So what I will do, I will create a file named readme.md, right? So touch readme dot md, right? Do ls, and you can see the readme.md file is here, right? Now what I will do, I will insert some text or some dummy values in this particular file, right? So I will open my subline and open the readme.md in it, right? And suppose over here I will put something like starter web project, and I will put some heading over here, say introduction. Again, put some other headings like Git and GitHub training. And I will put some material, some raw data over here like this is okay. We will discuss it later, right? So I have put this much of work, right? Now press Ctrl S to save the file, press Ctrl W to close the file, press Ctrl Q to close the sublime text, right? ls. See, the readme.md is here. Now I will see is there anything inside the readme.md or not, right? So I will put get readme.md. So it is basically printing the content of the readme.md file, and this content is basically present inside the readme.md, right? Clear the console. Now let's see the differences. So put get status, right? And it is showing the file is modified. Readme.md file is modified, right? So it is showing in the red color. You can clearly see the difference over here, right? So first we can compare the things. So I will go and I will add this file, git add, and the file name, right? Again put the git status, and you can see the color is changed. It is moved to the staging area, right? From a working directory, the file is moved to the staging area, so the color is in green. Okay, I will commit the file, git commit -m, adding readme, right? This is the comment, done, and push the file, git push origin master, right? Just wait, done. You can see this is the commit hash and master to master. Now I'll go to my repository, refresh my browser over here, right? Go to my readme.md file. So you can see the file is 29 seconds ago. The file is created 29 seconds ago. And this is the comment what I have adding readme. Okay, and this is the file. I will open the file and you can see the text is here. This was the text which we have inserted. A starter web project, introduction, Git and GitHub training, right? Again go to my terminal, right? And clear my terminal, open the readme.md file, right? And inserted some other text over here, like this is git project, right? Which we are using as sample project, right? In the introduction, I will put uh, a lot of lectures are already submitted, right? And in GitHub training, I'm putting this is the famous and one of the best training course of DevOps, right? I will save my content, close my file, close the Sublime, and again put the get status, right? So you can see the file is modified. I'm getting the file in the modified way. Again put git add and add the file, right? Git commit and hyphen m and the message say adding text, right? Git push origin master. The push is done, right? You can see the hash is here in master to master. Again, I will go to my browser, okay, where my file is present, and you can say the 3 minutes ago the file is updated 3 minutes ago. I will refresh it. I will refresh it. Just wait, and it is saying 30 seconds ago. See, the file is updated 30 seconds ago, and you can see the training content what I have added over in my readme.md file is basically present over here. The Git project, which are using as a sample project, a lot of lectures are already submitted. This is the famous and one of the best training course of DevOps. So guys, this is the way basically how you can uh, move the file. Okay, so we have set up a sample project for the comparison. In the coming tutorials we will discuss about the few comparisons and we will see how we can compare the files, compare the branches, compare the paths and all, right? So thank you guys, thanks for your time.